So this is Summer hair. I have 3 Brazilian bundles in 24, 22, and 20 inches, and I have a 20-inch closure piece right here, and we're gonna go ahead and make a wig. And I got a bleach kit from the beauty supply store today. This is by Kiss, and this is their express color bleach kit, and as you see, it was very affordable, $4. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna put a few highlights in front of my wig. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. But yeah, I am gonna show you what the bundles look like, as I normally do. I think that's only right to show you the hair. I like frontals, but you know, closures are just so much easier for me to work with. So yeah, I guess I should take it out of the net. I just love Brazilian hair. But yeah, this is it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the wig making. Alright, so this is the dome cap that I use, and I normally pick this up from my local beauty supply store in the extra large size because my head is big. Though you can pick these up from Amazon. Now I normally do order these from Amazon, like 3 for $9.95 and the regular size, but lately I've been really feeling the extra large cap, so this is what we're using today. it. This is my unit. I know it looks like almost every other wig that I've created on this channel using my Brazilian hair, but this is like my go-to style. This is what I love. This is so me. I love this hair. But I will say this, it did take the color, but I'm just not pleased with the color because it wasn't what I was looking for. As long as I let the bleach stay on the hair, I felt like it would have been lifted a little more than this like light chestnut type brown. Though I do like it, it is very cute, but I was looking for more blonde highlights, and I even went back in a second time. I opened the foils and added more to add like some streakiness to give me like a bold blonde look. It was the bleach. I think that this bleach just didn't cut the mustard. I think that this was it's $4 well spent if you're not looking for a dramatic change. If you're looking for subtle highlights, then yes, get this $4 bleach because it didn't damage the hair. The hair still is intact. It's still soft. It's not brittle and weird, and you know, it didn't do anything crazy to the hair texture, so the hair is still A1. So I'm loving that. I just hate that I didn't get the blonde that I was looking for, but maybe I have to just get a full-fledged bleach and just go at it again to add some streaks to it. But yes, the hair is really, really nice. Again, I have 24, 22, 20 with, I believe, let me see again, I forget. But nonetheless, guys, I'm really, really loving this hair. It is awesome with a 20-inch closure. So I have 24, 22, 20, and a 20-inch closure. So yeah, this is Sumber Hair, and all of their information will be linked below. And as far as this Kiss Colors Express Color Kit, you know, and it did come with the gloves, the developer, the powder, and a nice little brush to apply your bleach. It was really cool, but like I said, I let this stuff stay on the hair for over an hour, and this is still the outcome, just like a chestnut brown. But yes, I love the hair though. Sumber Hair pushed through. The hair is gorge. It's really, really gorge. I love it. Really, really nice, good quality hair. So yeah, if you're looking for affordable Brazilian deep wave bundles, then definitely check out Sumber. You would love this hair, and I believe I've used their hair before. I actually was an out-of-pocket purchase, and it was some like curly hair, and that hair is really, really nice. So yeah, I like Sumber, I really do. So they're one of the affordable bundle brands that I highly, highly recommend. So yeah, let me know what you think of this hair, guys. Like I said, I will leave all the information below in the description box. Yeah, I'm gonna think about going back through, though there are some lighter areas in here, but like I said, for over an hour, and I am new to the whole bleaching thing, but I thought I did this right. All you do is just follow the directions, and I did everything that the directions said to do. But nonetheless, I like the hair. Let me know what you think. If you could recommend to me a good at-home bleach kit, I will definitely grab it and I will use it to highlight my hair again. But I'm kind of scared to go back through because I don't want to damage my bundles. It's just so pretty. But yeah, that's it for me. This is my review of Sumber Hair, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from me. Until next time, bye.